Hi, welcome to Adobe Gab. Today, I will be going to show you how to slow down audio track without affecting the pitch in the audition. So we are here in the magnificent world of the audition. I've got here some music from YouTube Audio Library. Sounds pretty great. Okay, so we want to slow it down but not affecting the pitch. So go into the effects menu and look for time and pitch. And hit stretch and pitch. Adjust the new duration. Like for example, I want it to become 4 minutes. So from 2 minutes and 41 seconds up to 4 minutes. As we play it, it sounds so good, like not affecting the pitch of the music. And click apply. Now it is great. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned a lot from this audition tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe and also click the notification bell so you wouldn't miss out on my videos, and stay safe.